Hello everyone, it's Sam from Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we have a 2022 9-pack by Hot Wheels to open up. Let's take a good look at these. Starting it off with Gazella R. This is the first one of this particular casting that I own. Last year came in a chase, I believe, in a certain series like the Pearl Orange series or something. But we see it as a multi-pack exclusive in the 2022 multi-packs. And it's got a nice purple color on it with some Ryu Asada 6-spokes. Those are gold, by the way. You can take a look at the nice front there. Connects with the yellow tinted window. You can see that right there. Oh boy. What is that? Looks like some kind of foreign object in there. Weird, I always get some weird stuff in my 9 packs. Well, anyways, we got some, it says Gazella R right there, and some yellow and white tampo designs on that. Pretty cool. Look at the back there, you can see those tail lights. Nice window design right there. Race bar. This is the Gazella R, a 2022 multi-pack exclusive, and a die-cast base. 68 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S. Nice muscle car here. This is another 2022 multi-pack exclusive. We also saw this one in the 2021 mainline in green. I don't have that one with me right now, but this is a very nice pearl orange color. And no, it's just a normal orange color, but we got some flame designs on this one, as you can see. Nice red flames, red and orange flames with some silver pinstripes around those. A nice Plymouth logo right there. You can see those Phil Redmond 5-spoke wheels, and has a chrome lip on them. Very cool muscle car with a black interior. And there's the front of this Plymouth Barracuda Formula S. Just a nice ride. I like this muscle car, especially as a multi-pack exclusive. Just a very cool ride. Here's the back. And very nice car. And you can see this one actually had base variations in the 2021 main line with the base and like I think it was like the track star symbol or something in a variation. But it's a gray plastic base on this one. Very nice ride. As you all know, I have way too many of this casting. Porsche 935. 2022 model. Nice red color with a number 70 on the side and gray Aerodisc wheels and some yellow striping and a Porsche logo right there. Porsche 935, new 2022 model. This one also appeared in the main line, so it's not a multi-pack exclusive. And a black plastic base. Here's a highlight for the 9-pack. I was not able to score this in a single pack. The 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth. And this thing is really cool. And I'm glad I scored this in a multi-pack, because I was not able to find this in a single pack. This is also appeared in the main line, and this came out in 2022 as a new model. So this is a new model for 2022 that they also put in a multi-pack, because that's what they do sometimes. 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth. With 10-spoke wheels, nice black color on it. And I do understand that there is a blue one out now, but that one is in a later case that has not hit our area yet. Look at that, it says Hot Wheels. Look at that. Both sides. And look at those tampos. Hot Wheels number 11, Bilstein, Hot Wheels Graphics, PIAA, stuff like that. It says Ryu on there too. This is really cool. I like the racing tampos on it. And Ford logo right there. Red striping. And gray interior, I believe. Whoa. I like this. I like this a lot. Look at the front end. Look at that. Big Mattel badge right on there. Number 11. Good spinning wheels. I like the wheels spinning on this Ford Sierra Cosworth. So yeah, this one appeared in the main line as well. I love that race bar. This reminds me of the Ford Escort Cosworth. Matchbox casting. And look at that. Just a very nice Ford Sierra Cosworth. I'm really liking this one. Definitely a great addition. This one came in the Retro Racers series, I believe, for 2021. And it was collector number 33 out of 250. But we see this one in the 9-pack. Here's the Toyota AE86 SPRINTER TRUENO. And this is a new color variation of it that also appeared in the main line. And as you can see, just a very nice matte white color. I already have another one of these in a single pack, so this one is going to go to one of my friends as well, just because there's a paint chip there. I mean, if this didn't have a paint chip there, I'd probably keep it and then keep the other one in the packaging, but I hate paint chips. But the friend I'm going to give it to doesn't mind paint chips. I don't think he even cares. But this says Trueno Apex, and it's got some pinstriping. And what is that? Gray and red? Yeah, and black right there. I really like this casting. I have a different color of it. And I'm sure you saw that video. This is like beautiful. From like Formula Drift or something. That's what it reminds me of. And yeah, black interior. So yeah, I'm going to be giving this one away to one of my friends. This has a great detailed back end. You can see Apex with Trueno on the back and some painted tail lights. Very nice matte white color. And this one came out in the HW hatchback series. Just a very nice hatchback ride. And yep, I'm going to be giving this one away as well as this one because I already have the same vehicles. Alright, here is another awesome highlight. The 73 BMW 3.0 CSL Race Car. And this one also appeared in the main line. Also wasn't able to score this one. But I finally got it in a multi-pack and wow. Just wow. This thing is beautiful. And you got a little scuffing on the top there, but that's alright. What a beautiful ride. On this 73 BMW. And you can see it has Castrol, Bilstein, 73 on the side with some red and white tampos and a black stripe going across there. Let's take a nice look at it. It's got some muscle car 5-spoke wheels, MC5s, and nice designs. Look at this. This is a very nice one. This came out in the 2022 main line as well. And you can see that nice hood tampo. And look at the BMW grille right there. It says Castrol 73. Look at that. Very nice grille. I love the grille. And I love how look at the headlights. They look so realistic. And just a beautiful BMW. Wish I could have scored this in the single pack, but I'm glad to have scored it in the 9-pack. It looks the same. It's the same ride. There was also a Super Treasure Hunt version. I saw 2 Super Treasure Hunt versions for $50 each. And I'd definitely pay that much for 2 of them, just so I can crack one open and put one on my wall. That's what I like to do with most of my expensive models. I don't really have any expensive models. Red plastic base. So this has a black, yellow, and red and white color scheme. Very nice BMW race car. This is the Carbide. So this is a fantasy model, and it's quite thin. But it is known as the Carbide. I looked it up because I wasn't able to see the base, to see the name on the base. Just has a bunch of writing there. But this is the Carbide 2022 multi-pack exclusive. Not too big on this casting right away. Nothing's really sticking out to me. It just looks like a normal fantasy Hot Wheels casting. Got open hole 5-spoke wheels, which is pretty neat. I like those wheels. Definitely fits this ride. It's got 02 on the side and like flames. They're blue flames. That's cool. Hot Wheels logo. And a orange plastic body with a blue tinted windows and a blue interior. Here's the front. And so it's a plastic on metal casting. The bottom's metal, the top's plastic. Wow. Those wheels spin smooth. This is known as the Speed Spider. So it's a Street Beast car. Another 2022 multi-pack exclusive. And great spinning rear wheels. Well, let's take a look at the base first, actually. The base is the metal part. Enamel red. And it's got red wheels as well with a chrome stripe on them. They're deep dish 8-spoke wheels. And it's got clear body, a clear black body. You can see the chrome interior there. 8 legs. Speed Spider, so it's a spider. Based off a tarantula, I read. And this is pretty cool for multi-pack exclusive. Got some red tampos on the top there. Oh, I actually see a steering wheel there, so that is actually the official interior. Last but not least, exclusive color decoration of the Porsche 356 Outlaw. Well, the casting is actually known as the Porsche 356A Outlaw. This is a 2022 multi-pack exclusive Deco, and this has a huge beige tampo on the side, tan tampo, number 310 with some tampos, Castrol, Holstein, Goodyear, Hot Wheels, deep dish 8-spoke wheels, red interior, you can see that in there. I like this sleek design of this Porsche. Exclusive color deco and fuel cap, 310 on there with a red stripe running through that. See that tampo right there. Very nice ride. I like this one. I actually really like this one. I'm glad I picked this one up. This is definitely an awesome 2022 9-pack by Hot Wheels. Here's the back. Dual exhaust. Take a look at the tampos. Nice. And the base. Hey, they removed the A part, so it just says 356 Outlaw. I think that's the new name, I guess. Alright, well, thank you for tuning in and watching me unbox this 9-pack by Hot Wheels. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comment section down below. Personally, one of these two main lines, I think would probably be this one. Well, thank you for tuning in, and please subscribe to the channel for more. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.